Hello and welcome back, or if this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. In today's episode, we are going to dip our toes into the Task Manager. This is a built-in program that allows you to take a peek at how your computer is performing in real time. Now, I must warn you, when you first look at the Task Manager, it is going to be overwhelming as it is a lot to comprehend. So I assure you that today we are just going to touch the surface. More specifically, I'm going to show you how to force shut down a web browser that is just not responding. So if this sounds like something that can benefit you, then let's start the clock and get started. There are a couple different ways to access the Task Manager, but for now we're going to use the Windows search function. Once loaded, we can see an evolving list which is divided into sections. Today we're going to focus on the CPU and memory columns. CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is essentially the brain of your computer. Though the percent will fluctuate, you want to maintain a base of around 10% or lower with no running applications. If your CPU exceeds 70 to 80%, then you run the risk of lag or even crashing. Memory indicates RAM, or random access memory, and is a temporary storage bank. Much like CPU, you want to prevent this percentage from capping at 100. In the event that a web page is running slow or even frozen, this may indicate that the browser has exceeded a comfortable threshold. To correct this, locate the application, right-click, and select End Task. This will force the selected program to shut down, freeing up operational space. Now you can reload your application to see if you have better results. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you learned something new that will only benefit you along your digital journey. As always, my name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.